Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. For years, mortgage experts talked about the need to shift your strategy to millennials, and for good reason. They're buying homes more than any other generation. Well, that's not the case in the current market, as older generations are once again playing a bigger role. So what's caused the shift? And what does it mean for mortgage origination? Our own Katie Jensen finds out.
Even among those who are shut out of home buying and really want to enter the market, they know that this is a good financial investment. This is their American dream.
Consumers still dream of owning their own home, and they still see home buying as a good investment. But the cost to do that has skyrocketed in the last year, and that has dramatically changed who can accomplish that dream.
Obviously, inventory, housing affordability, student loan debt, childcare costs. I think the laundry list goes on and on.
NAR says millennials no longer rank as the top home buying generation, the first time that's happened since 2014. Now Gen Xers and baby boomers both outrank them, and that's causing dramatic changes in how homes are bought and sold.
So they have quite a bit of equity from their past home and are able to make this trade.
Buyers over the age of 58 were significantly less likely to need a loan, cashing in on their equity to purchase a retirement home. They're also more likely to move far distances. Buyers moved a median of 50 miles to their new home. You might want to see where buyers are coming from and expand your marketing.
So they may not know that local area, and being that local expert, I think really placing yourself as that local expert can be incredibly important too.
We also see a rise in multi-generational homes, now up to 14%. Sometimes it's for healthcare reasons, but sometimes it's financial.
It could be health and caretaking of an older relative, but it also could be that older relative is actually still in the workforce and financially contributing.
For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Katie Jensen.
Thanks, Katie. On a positive note, consumers seem to be taking notice that the housing market is cooling down. 1 in 4 respondents to a survey by the Federal Bank of New York say home prices will fall as much as 5% over the next 12 months, and only 18% think we'll see double-digit growth. These changes show a more optimistic view than buyers had last year. Meanwhile, affordable housing advocates say the president's Build America, Buy America plan needs some changes if we're going to help home affordability. 24 groups have signed on to a letter asking President Joe Biden for an exemption for builders who use federal aid to construct affordable housing units. They warned that without the exemption, the plan would undercut your administration's efforts to address the housing affordability crisis and reduce inflation. Coming up, a Florida originator says UWM's success shows its ultimatum is illegal.
Tired of turndowns and wasting 25 basis points or more on slow and manual loan processing? Divorce your processor and break free with Morgan Chat AI. There are no bad deals or tough loans, only deserving families that need AI-driven fast and accurate service. We treat every client fairly and with empathy. AI that understands how you feel.
I am Morgan. I get you.
Welcome back. A broker in Florida wants to update his lawsuit against United Wholesale Mortgage over the company's ultimatum. Dan O'Cavage says the UWM's recent success and statements by President and CEO Matt Ishbia show the ultimatum is anti-competitive. UWM has grown its share of the wholesale market to 54%, up from 34% when UWM first imposed the ultimatum 2 years ago. O'Cavage also claims UWM's ultimatum drove out competitors, and he points to statements Ishbia has made in recent weeks, including a statement that UWM controls the margins in the mortgage industry. He says that this is a sign UWM is acting like a monopoly in setting prices. We reached out to UWM, but so far we have not heard back. O'Cavage initially filed the federal class action in 2021. Now he's asking a judge to amend his lawsuit with the new information. We'll be right back with what else is interesting today.
Join us at Mortgage Star, where women come together to celebrate and raise each other up while creating connections that will last a lifetime. Attend Mortgage Star in New Orleans on July 10th and stay an extra day for the Ultimate Mortgage Expo.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. Rocket is launching a new credit card aimed at bringing in future home buyers. The Rocket Visa Signature Card lets users earn 5% cash back towards closing costs and a down payment when they take out a mortgage through Rocket. Homeowners with a Rocket mortgage can also use their cash back to pay off their loan balance. Rocket touted the program during its most recent earnings call, saying it's part of the company's broader strategy to grow beyond a mortgage company. At the same time, the company says the rewards program will bring new customers to its core business, home loans. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.